Well, hello there and welcome to this demo video of how to integrate your Transformation.ai account with your Uberflip account. My name is Greg Marlin. I'm the founder and CEO of Transformation.ai. That's me up here in the top right corner and me down here as well in the video. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to go over to our Uberflip account. And I got to this particular screen by first going to the top right and clicking on Account Settings. And under Account Settings, then I come to REST API Credentials. And if you hadn't generated one already, you generate one. That'll give you an API key, which I'm blurring out, and an API secret, which I'm also blurring out. But what you can do here is just copy what shows up, so Control-C, and then come over to your Transformation.ai account. You scroll down to Integration Management, scroll down again to Uberflip, click on Uberflip, and you're going to paste the values of client ID. So for API key, you put that under client ID, and for API secret, you put that under client secret. So paste those two values. I've already done this, so it says update token, but for you it'll say get token, and you just click on that, and you should get a success message if you did it right. So when that happens, then the next thing that you'll see is you'll see streams, items, and hubs. So if you look at, for instance, streams, I've got a stream here. It's just representing the blog. That populates here. I've got my hub, and that's pulling in stuff from that. So the next thing I could do is I could actually create a touch point in the system from a stream. I could also do the same for a hub. If I wanted to make a hub a touch point, I can generate a touch point there. But what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to generate a touch point for my blog post itself. I've already done that here for one of them. Let me go ahead and do one here, how to gather a touch point inventory. I'm going to generate a touch point from that. I've got some details that I can do here, I can fill out, but it's well filled out already for me. So I'm going to just hit create. So that creates a touch point out of it, and when I then go scroll back up to my touch point inventory, you can see that a touch point has been created. And why don't I spruce this up a little bit by adding a icon for Uberflip, since it's coming from Uberflip. I'll just add the Uberflip icon. I'm going to upload that, and I'll update the touch point. And there you go. It says how to gather a touch point inventory, and I've got the Uberflip icon. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go to my map library, and let me just find a simple one, SaaS trial acquisition map template. And now what I want to do, I already had done this before, and I've got 5 ways connected. Let me just remove that, show you how this works. Just clear that touch point. I'll just pull this one over, and actually I can just connect it to the trial sign-up landing page, since it does actually connect there. And so let me just do that. I'll connect it to the trial sign-up landing page, and let me update that. You see it draws that connection. Now, because I actually generated the touchpoint from Uberflip, when I come in and I click on this, it will pre-populate all of the data and KPIs that I can pull in from Uberflip. Now, I just recently set that up, so it's not showing anything here. But those are some of the KPIs that would show up. However, let's say I have a touch point that is not coming from Uberflip. I didn't generate it from Uberflip, but I want to associate Uberflip data with that touch point. I can just click on that, and I have this tab over here in any touch point, and I'll click on that, and it's the Uberflip tab. And here I can select streams from my account and associate them. So I can come in here, select that one. I can then continue, and it will give me then the selections. I can choose different KPI settings, and I can set targets. If I don't, let's say I don't want one of these KPIs, I just uncheck them, and they won't show up in the total. So I can hit save, and now if I come back here under feedback loops, it's showing streams and it's showing the KPIs that I selected. And that's as simple as that. You've got the ability to integrate your Uberflip account, generate touch points from streams, hubs, or items, and you can also pull data from Uberflip into specific touch points, whether you generated them from Uberflip or whether you do it on a touch point by touch point basis. So hopefully that gives you everything you need to build great integrations with Transformation.ai and Uberflip.